The good news about Jesus, as according to Luke chapter 9 from verse 43b to verse 50. What happened to Jesus? When them a look and a wonder about where them see, Jesus said to him special follower them, hear what me I say and no listen me good. Them a go take the man where God pick and give him over to people where hate him. But Jesus follower them never get what him say, and them afraid to ask him what him really a talk about. God did hide what it mean, so them couldn't understand it. The one we have the top position. Jesus special follower them did argue about which one of them might have the top position in the group. Jesus didn't know what them did think, so he make one picnic turn upside of him. Jesus said to them, say, anybody will welcome that little picnic, cause him trust in me, welcome me too. And anybody will take me in, take in the one will send me to. The one amongst you know, where they are the bottom, at him have the top position. Una fight against you, dip on your side. Lord, John say, we see one man, I use your name run out demon out of people, and we try to tap him, cause him a no one are we. Jesus said to him, say, not tap him, cause who not fight against you, dip on your side. And Gad Wod Dis, thank God,